Welcome to the video, everyone. My name is Sean, and I've lived in Thailand for the past 2 years, actually more than 2 years. And during that time, I've ate many different types of foods and many amazing things. And today we have a special treat for you. Today I will be doing a food review, and normally I don't do food reviews. Anyways, today we're going to break that barrier together. Today we're going to do a food review of something in KFC. They're constantly innovating with new products, albeit maybe not always the best, but they do innovate and come out with new products all the time. So I feel like it would be interesting to watch, and so that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go with my lovely girlfriend. We're going to hop on the bike and we're going to get going in just 1 minute. Come along with us. Here she is, the beast. Here's our ride for the day. She's not much to look at, but she gets the job done. Ready? Smile for the camera.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
In the starlight, I see in your eye. I just wanna feel alive. In the starlight, I see in your eye.
What are these? Front sour cream cheesy pop.
Welcome back, guys. We're at KFC and we have just completed our order. Arisa and I got the same thing. And what we got is called the sour cream cheesy pop. And basically what we have here, we have some French fries. We've got the cheesy pops, the sour cream cheesy pop. Looks like pretty much like popcorn chicken, and then they've got like the powdering flavoring on it. So it's gonna be like the sour cream cheesy flavor. And then there's 2 pieces of chicken in here. Looks like we have a fried drumstick, and then also what looks to be a thigh. Also included is a nice little spoon in which you can use for your mashed potatoes. So it seems pretty basic. I was actually expecting there to be something a little more adventurous today, but you know, you got to take what you can get. And today, this was the most adventurous thing. And I'm going to finish it off with this drink here. This is a green tea drink, which looks to have some ice cream in it as well. Actually, I think I'll start with this drink. I do have a drink that comes with this set. This whole set was 149 baht, which is about $5 US. So pretty decent value, probably about what you would pay back home in the US. Back home for me anyways. So let's try this this drink out first. Okay, it tastes like a pretty much standard green tea, Thai green tea drink. But it tastes like a little different. It's fairly sweet when you get the tea taste to it. Nothing special. This was 29 baht. They have one for 35 baht where you also have caramel and a couple other things on top as well. But it tastes pretty standard to me. I'll move that over to Arisa. She's been wanting to try it, so we'll let her try it. Next, French fries. These French fries are pretty standard as well. When the salt hits, it adds a nice flair to it. You really get that potato taste when the salt hits. Really brings out the potato flavor. They're not really crispy at all though. They're pretty soft overall. As you can see, you can bend almost without breaking. I would give those about a 5.5 out of 10 on French fries, as far as French fries go. Next, I want to try out the sour cream cheese chicken. This is what we came here for, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you guys really want. I assume it's going to taste like popcorn chicken with sour cream and cheese flavoring. Let's check it out. not bad actually. As soon as you bite it, you get hit with the sour cream flavor. Almost like eating sour cream and onion Pringles, but with like more of the flavor. And then you get a little heat on the back end, which I quite like. The cheese doesn't come through too much, but a little bit. This is quite nice. KFC chicken is actually pretty damn good. And these are really nice because they're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. And with this flavoring, it really just kind of takes it to the next level. That's not bad. I think it's pretty good. I wish they'd give you more though. They only give you about 1, 2, 3, about eight pieces maybe. Next, we're going to bite into this fried chicken leg here. It's exactly what I was expecting. Crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. Good amount of flavor. Chicken in Thailand is pretty good. And KFC has great chicken here. KFC is pretty popular amongst Thais. And I can see why. But it does tend to be on the pricier side of a lot of options. Okay. So, next is the mashed potatoes. I haven't tried these yet. And I've been here a long time. I'm interested to try this. Let's give it a shot. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. They're very liberal with the gravy. I can see why. The mashed potato part seems to be pretty bland and without flavor. But the gravy part does have decent flavor to it, so I think if you mix it all together, it's quite good. Not as good as back home though, I think, but not bad. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I would say the actual part we came for, the exotic part, the sour cream and cheesy flavoring on the popcorn chicken type deal is pretty damn good. Everything else is fairly standard. Arisa, what do you think?
Yes. I like mom. It's really good. I like it. And then but spicy for me a little bit.
A little spicy?
Yeah. But okay. I like
Yeah, I like the spice that it has. A little cheese flavor.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, Arisa likes it, so there we go, guys. That's pretty much the food review. I would give this about a, oh, I don't know. As far as the set goes, maybe
we can give it a nice round 6 out of 10. Nothing special. Most of it's very standard, except for this part, which does have really good flavor. That's really what we came for. So, actually, you know what? Before we go, let me try this. I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna dip it in the mashed potatoes here. See what we got. Oh wow. Wow. That really kind of takes it to the next level. Having it with the mashed potatoes and gravy. Actually, I'm going to do that again, guys. That was quite good. Wow, look at that. Wow. Yeah, it's quite good. Anyways, guys, we're gonna finish our meal. I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1 of the food review in Thailand. Next, I'll do something not chain food. I'll do maybe some kind of Thai dish or something at a restaurant, and we'll go from there. So, Arisa, do you have anything to say?
I hope you enjoy with us, guys. If you like this video, you can subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you liked. Thumbs down if you didn't like. But probably should just give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because there's going to be more. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care. I salute you.